Imagine a vibrant mosaic of green floating on the water, where food grows abundantly and the air is filled with the buzz of life. This isn't a scene from a futuristic movie, but a revival of Mexico's ancient agricultural marvel, the Chinampas. Once the agricultural backbone of the Aztecs, these floating gardens are making a surprising comeback, offering solutions to modern problems like urban food security and environmental sustainability. But why is this revival crucial today, and how does it align with global sustainability goals? The Chinampas, often referred to as floating gardens, are one of the most ingenious agricultural inventions of the pre-Columbian Americas. Originating around the 14th century, these artificial islands were crafted by the Aztecs to increase agricultural yields in the swampy lakes of the Valley of Mexico. Post-colonization, many Chinampas were abandoned or destroyed due to urban expansion and neglect. This loss marked a significant cultural and ecological setback for the region. Today, the cultural importance of Chinampas extends beyond agriculture, symbolizing a link to the ingenuity and resilience of the Aztec civilization. Urban sprawl in Mexico City has led to the disappearance of many old Chinampas, replaced by buildings and paved roads. This urbanization comes at the cost of fertile agricultural land, exacerbating food security issues. Water scarcity is another pressing issue. The remaining Chinampas offer a blueprint for sustainable water use, but are threatened by pollution and neglect. As the global population urbanizes, food production must adapt. Chinampas present an ancient solution to these modern problems, emphasizing sustainability and local production. Recent years have seen a resurgence in interest towards Chinampas. Local governments, alongside non-profits, have initiated projects aimed at restoring and utilizing these ancient systems. Organizations like the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations have collaborated with local entities to train farmers in traditional and modern sustainable farming techniques. Community participation has been crucial. Locals are not only keepers of tradition but also active participants in the Chinampas revival, passing down knowledge and skills through generations. Sustainable farming techniques. Traditional Chinampa agriculture is inherently organic, relying on natural compost for fertilization. This method reduces the dependency on chemical fertilizers, which are harmful to ecosystems. Crop rotation and polyculture are practiced on Chinampas to maintain soil health and prevent pest infestations, which reduces the need for pesticides. Water management is a core aspect of Chinampa farming. Efficient techniques to maximize water use and preserve its quality are vital for sustainability. Innovative techniques and technologies. Modern technologies such as hydroponics and aquaponics are being integrated into Chinampa systems to enhance productivity without compromising ecological integrity. Renewable energy sources, such as solar panels, are being used to power necessary infrastructures, reducing the carbon footprint of agricultural operations. Smart farming technologies, including IoT devices, help in monitoring and optimizing conditions, ensuring efficient resource use and higher yields. Economic impacts. Reviving Chinampas has led to job creation in rural and urban areas, providing employment opportunities in farming, maintenance, and tourism. These agricultural marvels attract tourists, educators, and researchers, generating additional income and educational opportunities. The demand for locally grown, organic produce provides a premium market for Chinampa products, boosting local economies. Environmental benefits of the revival of Chinampas are numerous. These gardens act as habitats for various aquatic and terrestrial species, enhancing local biodiversity. They play a role in carbon sequestration, as the plants grown on them capture carbon dioxide, helping mitigate climate change. Additionally, the vegetation helps cool urban areas, countering the heat island effect common in cities like Mexico City. The restoration of Chinampas is accompanied by educational programs that teach young generations about sustainable agriculture and ancient practices. These initiatives help preserve indigenous agricultural knowledge, which is invaluable for sustainable development. The communal nature of Chinampa farming fosters a strong sense of community and pride, reinforcing cultural identity and heritage. The Mexican government, recognizing the potential of Chinampas, has enacted policies and provided funding to support their restoration and modernization. International bodies have partnered with local governments to ensure that these projects align with global sustainability goals, providing expertise and additional resources. Legal frameworks have been established to protect these agricultural systems from urban encroachment and to promote their ecological and cultural values. Despite the positive strides, there are challenges. Land rights issues and urban planning conflicts pose significant hurdles to the expansion of Chinampas. There is a technological and knowledge gap that needs to be bridged to optimize these systems for modern demands. Scalability remains a concern. While Chinampas are effective on a small scale, expanding them to meet larger urban demands is complex. Several Chinampa projects have proven successful, serving as models for similar initiatives. These projects have shown significant improvements in local food production and ecosystem health. Impact assessments demonstrate the positive environmental and social impacts of these revitalized systems, validating their potential. Testimonials from local farmers and global experts underscore the transformative power of these ancient agricultural practices. The principles of Chinampa agriculture have the potential to be replicated in other parts of the world facing similar challenges. Integrating Chinampa systems into modern urban planning can ensure sustainable city development and resilience against climate change. The long-term sustainability of Chinampas depends on continuous innovation, support, and adaptation of ancient practices to modern contexts. Individuals can support the Chinampa revival by advocating for policies that promote sustainable agriculture and by participating in local community farming projects. Global participation in promoting and investing in sustainable practices can drive broader changes, making urban agriculture a cornerstone of food security. Consumers can contribute by choosing locally grown, sustainable products, supporting the economic viability of Chinampas. The revival of Mexico's Chinampas is more than an agricultural renaissance. It is a movement towards sustainable urban living and ecological balance. By blending ancient wisdom with modern innovation, these floating gardens hold the key to a sustainable, food-secure future. As we embrace these ancient yet innovative agricultural practices, we pave the way for a greener, more sustainable world. The Chinampas not only feed us, they teach us the value of harmony with nature and the importance of preserving and adapting our ancestral technologies for future generations.